This is the Enchanted Princess sailing into Kristiansand, Norway. There's a lot of these little forested islands around here. And I guess that's Kristiansand. Very picturesque. The crew's all out here taking pictures. Let's cut across. We're in the wake view area on deck 16. Wakeview Bar. Happy crew members. Guess that's our pilot boat. His name's Bob. It's about 8:15. I guess that's the city right there. And out on this island here is the old forts. The old part of town is down there, and then the new part is way over there. So I'm not really sure where we're docking, but it looks like somewhere straight ahead, doesn't it? Let's go back to this side. Like I said, we're on the Enchanted Princess, and this is the first time it's been to Europe other than, I guess, when it was built, right? And they got some music playing in here, so I'm gonna ramble on. See, Enchanted Princess. Let's look closer. Stay tuned for videos about Oslo. That's the capital of Norway. Oh, that's our cue to stop recording, I guess. So from Kristiansand, Norway, goodbye.